Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your LinkedIn account permanently using a web browser, whether you're taking a break from social media or simply want to start fresh. This process is quick and easy. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Log in with your account details. Then click on your profile picture or the me icon in the top right corner of the page from the drop-down menu. Choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage all of your LinkedIn preferences. Next, scroll down and go to the Account Management section under Account Preferences. Here, you'll see an option labeled Close Account. Click on it. LinkedIn will now ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Choose the one that fits your situation best. Then click Next. Finally, enter your password to confirm your decision and click Close Account. Once done, your LinkedIn account will be permanently deleted after a short grace period. And that's it? You've successfully deleted your LinkedIn account. If this video helped you out, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.